As our temperatures try to dip below 70, but it's going to be a bit of a struggle after a warm day today, mid-upper 80s, even some 90s in the I-75 corridor, supported by a strong area of high pressure near and just east of the Florida Peninsula. It's helping to drive our southeast and south wind pattern, and it's putting a roadblock on this stationary front. It's been causing quite a bit of active weather in areas like Memphis, Evansville, Indiana, those areas, and now a flooding risk because of the slow movement of that front. It does play a role in our weather eventually, but that high, as strong as it is nearby, is going to keep that front away and the rain and storms that it is causing. So we just have another round of patchy morning fog, low clouds that start to break with a little late morning heating. Southeast to south winds continue, can be breezy at times, especially along the coastline, and that breeze plus the warming will help to disperse the cloudiness by afternoon. So sunshine galore for some, partly cloudy for others. Best chance for that will be along I-75, Swanee, Alapa River counties, where you can see at least a blend of clouds and sunshine, and maybe an outside chance for a sprinkle, but that high is getting pretty strong, so it's going to be tough to even get that. Saturday morning, hitting reset, starting off with low clouds, patchy fog, and sunshine after sunrise. Fog issues not widespread for our local area tomorrow, as the fog tracker has reasonable visibilities, but be aware near bodies of water, maybe near the coast, you can see a couple zones of fog. As mentioned, Saturday, not much different from today, not much different from tomorrow. Sunday, though, is the difference. I do think Sunday morning into the afternoon, you can still be outside and avoid storms. The timing and strength of the line as it pushes into the deep south will still be in question, and further refining is likely, but the overall indications over the last couple days showing that we can see a weakening form of this line that can still interact with our south breeze, kick up the wind gusts in some areas of storms, but it looks like a later arrival on Sunday. The front slows down, and that can stretch rain into Monday. So multi-day rain totals at least Saturday through Sunday morning, not much rain, if any, locally. Into Sunday late, highest amounts are still manageable in our tri-state areas. Then into Monday, that's when we can see about 1 to 2 inches in general. I do think maybe a few locations could have some higher amounts as that front is slow to slip south. By far, highest rain and highest flooding risk is going to stay well to the north of us. Our lows tonight around 66 to 70. And tomorrow's highs back into the mid and upper 80s. Cooler at the coast, warmest along I-75. Mid-80s common through the weekend. Then we start to notice the clouds rolling in. The front goes to the south. And yes, some cool air comes back.